Think your internal IT team has it all covered? Well, here's why co-managed IT might be the secret IT weapon that your business needs. Hey everyone, Stan here, Stan's Garage, the channel where we make business IT straightforward and maybe even a little fun. Hey, today we're going to dive into a concept that's gaining traction: co-managed IT services. If you're a business with an internal IT team, you might think you got everything under control. But let's explore how co-managed IT can enhance operations. So what is co-managed IT? Imagine your internal IT team as your in-house chefs. They're great at preparing daily meals, handling immediate needs, and ensuring everything runs smoothly. But what happens when you want to host a grand banquet or need a specialized dish? You bring in a guest chef. Co-managed IT is like that guest chef. It's a collaborative partnership where your internal IT team works alongside an external IT provider. You bring in specialized skills for complex projects, provide support during off hours or peak times, and introduce proven strategies and tools. It's not about replacing your team, but empowering them. So why consider co-managed IT? Well, for one, scalability. As your business grows, so do your IT needs. Co-managed IT allows you to scale support without the overhead of hiring additional full-time staff. You get access to advanced tools. MSPs often have access to enterprise-level tools and technologies that might be cost-prohibitive for a single business. You'll get proactive monitoring. With co-managed IT, you get continuous monitoring, ensuring potential issues are addressed before they escalate. Strategic planning. Collaborate on long-term strategies, and your infrastructure aligns with your business goals. So consider a mid-sized company with a dedicated IT team. They manage day-to-day operations efficiently. However, when faced with a significant system upgrade, they realize they lack the specialized knowledge and resources. By partnering with an MSP in a co-managed setup, they successfully implement the upgrade without overburdening their internal team. You gotta ask, is co-managed IT right for you? Well, if you have an internal IT team that face challenges with specialized projects, or experience IT bottlenecks during peak business periods, or even seek to enhance your IT strategy without overextending your internal resources, well, then co-managed IT might be a solution for you. Co-managed IT is about collaboration. It's about combining the strengths of your internal team with the resources and expertise of an MSP. Together, they ensure your IT infrastructure is robust, scalable, and aligned with your business objectives. If you're curious about how co-managed IT can benefit your business, feel free to drop us a comment below or reach out to us at STG. Happy to explore those possibilities together. Anyway, thanks for watching. Consider if co-managed IT might be a solution for you. And I will catch you on the next video.